Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can reset your Brave browser to its default settings. For example, if you'd like to fix various or several performance issues, or if you simply would like to reset your browser to the factory settings really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. Alright, so launch the Brave browser. And what you want to do here on your home screen is click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select settings from the drop-down menu to access your browser settings. And inside your browser settings, guys, take a look at that panel here to the left. So at the bottom of that panel, you will see that option, Reset Settings. So simply click on it. And after that, click on that option here to the right. And in the last step, Brave browser will ask you to confirm your decision. Bear in mind, though, that resetting your Brave browser will not only reset your Brave browser to its factory settings, it will also disable all installed extensions and delete all cookies and other temporary site data. However, guys, bookmarks, your browsing history and saved password won't be affected by this. So take this in account, and once you have made your decision, simply confirm it by tapping or clicking on Reset Settings here to reset your Brave browser to its default settings. And that's all to it, guys. As you can see, super simple. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.